Bedford Stone Ranch home near the end of Quiet Street. Owner has updated all the main things including, new 95% Trane HVAC, new 30 years roof shingle. All new wiring West/200 AMP, well pump 2016. Updated kitchen, all appliances remain. Whole house softener and amp, row systems at sink and amp, fridge. 4+ bedrooms include a private guest suite on the main. Formal living spaces and 3 fireplaces. Finished basement west/escape windows, waterproof flooring, steel studs/basement drywall, full bath west/stand-up shower, full kitchenette. Fully fenced yard, brick fire pit, large deck off family room and custom 10 by 14 shed west/metal roof, 6 roll-up door. This is a great find.